Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox a gimbal for the GoPro. It fits anywhere from GoPro 9 to GoPro 3s. So here's the packaging. Comes in a really nice case. So a really nice case. This is how it comes. You get your manuals here. We don't really read those. You got all your cables here. So the neat thing about this is you can charge your devices while you video. You have the charger for the gimbal itself. So here's the gimbal, and then this is a tripod. So you got all your settings here. So you can sync with your GoPro via Wi-Fi, and you can just press record, and it'll record on the GoPro. You have your different modes for your different action scenes, and this is the joystick to control the actual gimbal itself. Here you see it's lighting up. This is your battery life. These light up too, but these are for your different modes. This is where this is your battery bank slash power, where you charge it. And these are splash proof, so if it's raining you can still be recording. And this can just screw in down here. And then there's the tripod. So here's a GoPro 4, and to attach it, you just unscrew these tops. And slide it in. Like so. And then screw it back in. So the best part about this is you can still have your screen. So you can still have your screen here. So while you're taking shots, you can see the screen. Here's your Wi-Fi button. So when you flip this on, you can connect it via Wi-Fi to have all the availability. We don't have an SD card in here, so we can't really show that. So to turn it on, you just click mode. So this is the record button's actually the power button for this unit. And so you can do your action shots. It can hold the GoPro 8 until the GoPro 3, so you can put any GoPro on here. You can also put others like the DJI action cameras. You can put other action cameras on here. I don't know which can fit, but I know the DJI can fit. And yeah, you can have the different modes. Each mode has something different. The more I play with this, the more I'll figure it out, and then I'll get back to you on what these modes actually do. So for now, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, put that notification bell on, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Thank you.